You're watching how to rearrange photos on WhatsApp status before sharing. Open WhatsApp and tap the Status tab, the circle with a plus icon next to Chats. To create a status with multiple photos, tap the camera icon. Then tap the gallery icon in the bottom left to select photos from your phone. You will see your photo gallery. Tap multiple photos to select them. You'll see a check mark after selecting. Tap the green circle with a number in the bottom right. This takes you to the editing screen where your selected photos appear as a strip at the bottom. To rearrange the order, tap and hold on a photo in this bottom strip. While holding, drag it left or right to a new position in the sequence. Release to drop it. You can repeat this. To rearrange all photos as needed, you can also tap on any photo in the strip to edit it individually with text, drawings, or stickers. The order in this strip is the order they will appear in your status. After rearranging, you can add captions or drawings to each photo by tapping on it. When ready, tap the green send arrow to post to your status. The photos will be shared as a single status that viewers can swipe through in the exact order you set. You can also trim video length if you included videos. This feature is available on both Android and iOS. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.